Walaikum Assalam.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, brother. I write your mess. I write message. I want to talk in this webinar. Problem for you.
Please start.
Okay. Today I want to talk about my university and my university facility and my university facility and of the my laboratory and study how expertise of my area. I am Fehthi Ahmet Özdemir. I am studying in Bingöl University from Turkey, Faculty of Art and Science, Department of Molecular Biology and Genetics. My university, I got a three laboratory, three research center. This research center of the very good facility and very good make of the study. Central laboratory, central research laboratory have got many equipment of the laboratory equipment. As example, scanning electron microscopy, real-time PCR, GCMS, LCMS, MS, and others. Laboratory equipment. We will use of this laboratory for chromatography study. Also, other research center in my university I've got of the PICOM. This is the special laboratory for this is special laboratory, specialist laboratory for honey product and plant material, plant extracted and secondary metabolite of this. This is the compound of the endemic plant in growth of the bingo. We can use of this laboratory for research and we can study this laboratory. Other resource centers, other resource center, we have got other resource centers, laboratory. We can easily use of this laboratory for researching. Also, this laboratory have got of the NMR. NMR or other chemical for chemical studying equipment. Also, I have got a three laboratory. First laboratory in my university, in my department. First laboratory, plant tissue culture laboratory. I a product of the medicinal and aromatic plant, endemic plant of this laboratory, Kali, regenerated plant, and sometimes I use of the elicitor or precursor for increase of the secondary metabolite of these plants. We study in laboratory plant tissue culture studying. Every time I am really supported and contributed with you and Professor Dr. Akram. You can very easily visit in this laboratory we obtain of the plant material and we use of the extraction solvent, different solvent, and we obtain of the different extracted and investigate of the antimicrobial and anti-cancer activities of this extract. I have got a second laboratory about of the antimicrobial study. This laboratory study only microbiology working. We have got a gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. A lot of gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria have got it in this laboratory. We can easily product of this microorganism in this laboratory and of study of antimicrobial activity. Research, my third laboratory of the cancer search laboratory. This laboratory we investigate of the this obtain of the extraction and plant a new compound of the in the plant, investigation of the anti-cancer activities of the new compound. Especially my student want that study new compound in the plant of the anti-cancer activities of this new compound. we collaborate of the chemistry department. We collaborated of the chemistry department. We want that we want that identicate. We want that identification of the new compound and of new compound structure. And we new compound structure when we use of the cancer cell line, when we use of the cancer cell line, we take of the good results. Nowadays, my one students, my one students focus on the new compound of alkaloid from extracted of the endemic plants. We obtain of this endemic plant. We obtain of this endemic plant new alkaloid. We take of the very good result of the antimicrobial and anti-cancer activities. I think that in future time we can discover of the new drug we can this the drug of the we can new drug precursor. We can maybe, I think that maybe also every time in all of this webinar contributed of the all of these webinars visit of to my laboratory and study with me every time. Thanks a lot, my brothers, for thanks a lot all of the participants in the listen of me, and thanks a lot of my brother Dr. Akram because organized of this webinar. Thanks a lot, my brothers.